Hello guys, next topic is PLC power section. This PLC connect this breadboard PLC input section 24 volt DC. So I used SMPS. SMPS means switch set mode power supply. SMPS input section 220 volt L and N, and this output section 24 volt fixed DC. And I connect this PLC to SMPS input section. This wire positive wire, negative and ground wire. Now SMPS section line and neutral first as a 220 volt and ground. This is ground, and B minus, B minus, B plus, B plus. This negative 2 terminal and positive 2 terminal 24 volt DC. Then I connect the 2-pin plug and SMPS to AC 220 volt. Now plug disconnect SMPS. This L and N. N means neutral, L means line. This single phase line. This connect this L and N power section in this SMPS, and PLC connect this 3 wire to SMPS. Now connect this positive terminal, positive volt, this V plus, the V plus connect, and this wire black, and this connect negative, and then our ground, this ground section, this SMPS. This connect this SMPS is complete. Connect SMPS complete, and this plug is on 220 volt AC. Connect this 220 volt AC, this multi plug. Now this on, SMPS is on, output input terminal and PLC this on. Now this PLC display here and this LED blinking. Now this run mode and power mode is on. This knob run mode, and I use run off stop mode. This run mode LED is off, and all program this run is manually. This power section error and blinking analog section. I program digital section. Next day. Thank you.